This lecture we will discuss about quality methods in construction industry. So there are some different methods we are going to discuss. So discussed methods are derived from different authors. So first method is Deming. So Deming modified the quality plan, quality as plan, do, check, act. That is PDCA circle originated by Stephen. So he named this PDCA plan the do study and cycle. Conceptually, PDCA cycle now called as Deming cycle, one of the most commonly used problem solving methods. As the name suggests, PDSA cycle suggests the preparation of the plan of things to be done as a first step, followed by its execution, doing whatever has been planned as a second step. The third step, the results of the plan is during the execution are studied. The issues regarding the execution exactly as per the plan and any variation studied during this step. Finally, in the fourth step, the results are checked by actually identifying what went according to the plan and what did not follow the plan. Using this insight, a revised and improved plan is moved out and the entire process is repeated. So it's a cycle. Okay. So you can see in the diagram, you can check the plan, do, study, act. So in the plan, that is, we have to prepare a plan, to implement a plan on a small scale, study, verify the results of the plan, and then take active action, standardize and feed forward to the next plan. So Deming 14 points provide provide some quality improvement guidance. Example, you can say the management should create and publish a statement of aims and purposes towards improvement of product and services of the company. Top management employees must learn to adopt new policy. End of end the practice of avoiding business on the basis of price tag. Okay. The next method developed by Juron, that is, Juron developed the idea of quality triology, quality planning, quality control, and quality. Juron emphasized the necessity for management at all levels to be committed to the quality effort with hands-on involvement. Juron recommended project improvements based on return on investment to achieve breakthrough results. He concentrated not only on the end customer but also identify other external and internal customers as well. So according to him, quality is fitness of use. Okay. So Juron suggested this triology for purpose processing improvement. Triology has three components: planning, control, and improvement. You can see there is a triangle here. Okay, so it is all interrelated with each other. So planning part consists of establishing the goals, identification of both external and internal customers, identification of needs of both internal and external customers, translating these to deliverables that are understandable by organization and its suppliers. Developing the product and service according to the needs of the customer and optimal cost. Developing processes capable the product and services. Putting plans into operations. The control part consists of determining the variables that are need to be controlled and means to measure these variables. Setting goals for the control, measuring actual performance, comparing actual performance with the goals set during the planning part, acting on the difference between actual performance and performance goals. So the control part is means that we are going to monitor the project and we are going to set some goals and check whether it has been attained or not. Okay. So just to compare the actual performance with the planned performance. That is the rule of control part. The improvement part consists of attaining the performance level that has been higher than the current level of performance. That is, we need to see whether the current level is attaining the performance level that we have set. Okay, it's like checking the benchmark that we have set. Okay, so identifying the different improvement measures and adopting effective problem solving method, implementing the solution of the problem found during this stage, the quality planning process. The process thus adopted is repeated starting from setting a fresh goal. So this three step is again and again it is being repeated. Okay. So Juron is also known for his triple role concept of quality involving customer, processor, and supplier. In the context of construction, according to triple role concept, it can be said that each stakeholder at each level, department level, region level, branch level, department level, section level, division levels, has three roles to play: that is of supplier, processor, and customer. So these are different three levels that each level of stakeholder will be taken part, okay, at each levels. Maybe recall that some of the stakeholders in the construction project are architect, owner, contractor. The construction process works when the owner communicates its requirement to the architect, a step that converts the requirement into a form of plan and specifications, which, when provided to the contractor, are realized in the form of contract. So whether the final project has been carried out effectively or not, so that we are going to check. So now, according to triple role concept, the architect plays a role of customer to the owner when he receives the requirement from the owner, that of the processor when he processes the design for the process facility, and then for the supplier when he supplies the plant specifications to the contractor to convert it into this reality. The contractor plays a customer to the architect when he receives plan and specifications from him, the processor when he processes the actual construction, and the supplier when he hands the constructed facility to the owner. So they have each individual role here. Okay. So here the satisfaction of each stakeholders in the process, construction process, better will be the project quality. So in the triple role concept, they have each role to play, okay, during the stages of construction. Whenever the satisfaction is higher, the better of the uh, quality of the project. Philip Crosby is known for his concept of do it right first time, zero defects. He believed that doing it right the first time is less expensive than the cost of detecting and correcting the non-conformities. Okay, so he defined quality as conformance with the requirements that the company itself has established for its product based on the customer needs. So he emphasized prevention management in every area. Okay, so basically his philosophy is doing it right, and there is no defects, zero defects. So four absolutes of quality management, according to Philip Crosby, are like quality is conformance with requirements, prevention of non-conformance is the objective, not appraisal. Performance standard is zero standard defects, not that close enough. So measurement of quality is the cost of non-conformance. So whenever we forgot to check the defects, okay, which forgot to do it properly in the first time, so we end up in paying more money in the defects for maintenance or rectifying that problem. So that we shouldn't do. That is a basic philosophy behind this cross-buy theory. Okay. So these are different theories or methods used in the quality control process. Okay. So these are the references I've taken for preparing this lecture.